Yes, yes. Hey. Hello. Na no bug you. What did happen? Hello. Now they say depression no do. Hey, Benjamin. Hey. Depression. Aba una can't join me. Well, wait so. What if they happen? Depression do you now kill me with this social media. Now kill me. Now kill me with this social media. When depression don't do. But I don't know I get time for that week. I get plenty time for that. I get plenty time. I get plenty time for now. Plenty time. I get plenty time for now. Hello, my people. Are they here? I don't understand. I get plenty time for now. I bet if you join the video, just share the video, share the video, We'll talk more about this depression wahala where they were outside. I hear say plenty people that don't be depressed. They won't do on social media. No, maybe we grandma me they remember social media or do na story them. When I say when they be depressed. Yeah. I beg ya. I really want to talk about the depression today. I beg. I really want to talk. Beautiful. Asalo all na bed loading. Nothing no sweet like when you go get presidential visit. Nothing no sweet. You know. In short, I must start campaign for be president for Cameroon. Yeah. In short, I get to start campaign for be president for Cameroon. The politicians they enjoy. They enjoy. Una live. I get to start campaign for be president for Cameroon. Now you know. Because only the 20 star visit where I enjoy me where I get them. I need to stop work. I need to stop work and remain for here because I don't lie with now. Mommy. That's all presidential visit the sweet. My dear, see I must enter politics. Say, like or not, I go join politics. Chai, politicians they enjoy them. When I not treat me where to get them there. Nah, all team by my side. I want cough so king imito me. I want tongue so palm imito me. I want those so palm imito me. Chai, mama me, I go join politics. I don't know say I know fresh, I know. You come for the kind of enjoyment, so you know fresh. You come for the kind of enjoyment. But me, if the pool never play me at the night, would I go fresh today? See, I didn't hook up my time my head to go walk, clean this, do that. I know fresh. When I see even me, I need my life to do my hair. So that if it take time, bring all thing for my corner, I can't do my hair inside house. Do I bet when I know if you understand. I did join politics. As from now, I'll be politician. As from now, swear, I don't join politics. I'll be politician. Because they say the politician that they get all money for the outside, that they get all enjoyment. Time on I don't join the video will be a very short video because today they get some special treatment they want to give me. So when I will see picture them from tomorrow, I don't worry when I start to picture. People don't worry me. Pictures. Tomorrow, Thursday, Friday, my picking go start put picture of outside. And I know for Saturday. I will join politics. Politicians they enjoy my tone or something. Politicians they enjoy. Gee! No be any kind of politician, president. They will not get for understand. President, the enjoyment too much. When I see the way they shine. When I just I come on London now day. I come on London now day. Now only Monday. I don't be in 2 days no. Monday and Tuesday. When I say I change. When I say I know say I change. Monday and Tuesday, 2 days. They never just be for the country. They for 1 month. Let me say my level I sure even Chantal be herself small because of the way I did not say I even pass a president that wife. Hey, mama me. No, I go tell my husband so I go increase my stay. I go add my stay for the country because the enjoyment just too much. I go add my stay for yeah. Hey, everything by your side. Everything you want cough so they do them. You want turn so they do them. You want hook up so they do. You want shake so they do. You want why they go you can be go knock my skin, walk, cook chop me one, clear house me one, do dip me one. One time so you go pay clean and me clean, I can't clean, so you go pay plenty money to pay. Ha. In short, I join politics. As from now, I be politician. As from now, I be politician. Yeah. As from now, I be politician. As a lot of now for house here today, I don't see my beautiful daughter, Kobos, lady. Thank you now all. When I don't join, I hear say some people them be depressed. I no go pray the prayer now because I no want waste time for this video. We'll go some side. When I will see next video them after. When I have pictures. Sam, the one thing me go do some tour. When I hear the when I face social media, not only when I work at put people they under depression, not only when I work at coach people they on social media. I say big boutique. I hear you to say be depressed. Hey, well, for who they depressed on social media, who know they depressed. You be depressed, you this man. Oh, na boy, I go call you. You be depressed. You know how many people they don't put and we don't send the under depression for your platform. You know how many people because all money can't cry on depression for social media. Because all money can't on social media tell how I don't depress them. You know how many people they don't put under depression. I don't tell when I say I don't go nowhere with this kind of attitude and characters on social media. When I say sorry me a day, now my attitude and my character bring me for day. Now you know. When I don't go nowhere with this attitude and character on social media. Social media is a place where you feel get a lot of connections. The connections I have today, I get all them for social media. I don't go get them for some. I don't go for some private place. I don't go for some signers. Social media bring me the place where me I did today. They enjoy me what they enjoy now. Social media bring her for my life. If I be there for social media, they crush people. If I be there for social media, they put people under depression. If I be there for social media, they want tell people their life. They want to know their life more than the way they know themselves. I know for there for here. I know for there for the place. Una always she don't for there una the cause problem, the up and down problem, up and down problem, up and down. When I work, I find trouble for some trouble no day. You can't turn up for some you need shame for open your mouth. They talk so you be depressed. You go for Bible, you go for dictionary, go find the meaning of depression. You know how many people that you don't put under depression for your platform. Now only when the cause people they put the under depression, deform people them talk how their shape they, talk how they look, how they do this, how they do that. Cause people. I even yesterday talk someone say if they dash you lady billionaire with million, you know take her. Mama me I die me I collapse I fall for that. I really collapse for that. Beautiful lady billionaire. They give you. You don't tell look lady billionaire husband. You don't stand so look the man. I don't call it boy, but I call it don't marry. The man where you marry lady billionaire. You don't stand and looking fine. Hey Jesus, una dey try you. Una dey really try for this social media. Una dey try. Una too dull to the extent una dey call black say white. White say black. Dullness, foolishness, stupidity. Don't make una dey craze. Some tumbu them, they dey for una head them. Una dey even think before una talk. Una dey think. People to you can't turn open your mop. The talk say they don't put you under depression. Who put you under depression? Who? So cautious so una some of una know for the cautious people. Una know for the cautious people. They don't put you under depression. Who put you under depression? Who? Who put you under under depression because the cause say Coco gay. Hey, Jesus of Nazareth. You are not cause, you don't cause some of us. You know they can even you the deep big boutique. You know the thing that don't cause people for social media. Why the people never go under depression? Now one can go under depression. They don't say wish people wait where you want me people wish for you. All we know that the wish people they they go under depression, they kill themselves, they die, they get pressure. You know they turn back all of una. I don't say God no be. You see God no be man. If I say come on for una mob, God no be man. Una punishment they never even start. Una never even start seeing no nothing for this social media. Una never start seeing no nothing. See, God is a patient God. He get patient. He be patient with una. Una go ping gong so for me the road. Una continue for the coach people. She don't for social media. Not do anything. Not do better things for your life. Sit and be insulting people. Some of us, they shine, the glue, with the meet millions and for road. God, the favor we, with days that become long, with life, with health, we become good. Everything for we, they shine. Because waiting. Because we plan good for people. We now shouldn't plan bad for people. We now shouldn't have to work at coach people. We now work at drive people. We now make sure so we now pass all man. They want to pick ball run. They want to come on social media. Now me I be this. Now me I be that. Now me this. Now me that. Now me I no pass all man. Now me this. I be celebrity. I be this. This is an empty pocket, empty last, empty people. They will not get no nothing. We now can't chop for premier. They chop now so. Some of you go sleep for floor. I don't know when I start dying with celebrities. That time when I go know so when I do be celebrities. When I start dying with celebrities, you will know that you are nobody. You go see their level. Some of us will chop with them. Now why that me I go talk and do be celebrity because I eat a lot with a lot of celebrities. So I know their level, I know their stance, I know where they put their food. When I show they can't say you be depressed. Big booty, you be depressed. Now only you talk you want take person go court. The court where you want take person go, the person not fall under depression. The court where you say you want take person go, the person not fall under depression. Now only you don't should not be a platform coach woman them. Cause even I remember for the beginning when people they start coaching, I say well when I leave the man. I said when I leave the man, I not coach this boy when I leave he. But on top of what I thought some people they leave you, but now you remove your platform the coach woman them. Cause you no respect for women. No respect. Any man because you no get respect for woman is a useless man. Very useless. Any man picking when you no get respect, and you be one of those men there for social media no get respect for women. You be one of them. You are useless, stupid, useless. You are. I don't know as I feel describe you. I don't know as I feel describe you. Thank you. I don't know as I feel describe you. You know, when I coach people, when I see my face fine, and I say I be oh mommy, I be grandma, when I carry order, when I depress and see them. When they can't stand with me, I don't tell when I say, oh, when I talk on social media, when I can't put me for grandpa, when I for down, we stand face to face, we not put camera, nothing. When I can't stand with me, we so fine. Jaga people, they when I do for social media, too much depression. When I not even present, when I not even be presentable, when I can't see me as I represent Sierra Leone, when I can't see me fine, I represent. I stand so I stand fine. I stand for big people that come as I stand the woman, no shaking. They look me so to say sometimes I be prime minister for Cameroon, a woman where they don't send her for Sierra Leone. Una know me fine. But she don't for them. Everywhere can go on. For social media, make noise, empty noise. No 5 pounds for una pocket. Because na Android generation, this all man get telephone. Any man fit joke for social media, can't light the telephone, start talk rubbish. Any man fit for social media, can't light the telephone, can't call people their name anyhow. People don't not even clean their shoe. People don't not even stand for their phone. How una na call people their name? They don't say some of una go meet we in future. Una go meet we face to face. I say una go stand for front and talk. Una meet we face to face. Empty last. Una do for social media. Na only problem. Una the cause am. You got that to say you be depressed. Hey, big boutique. You be depressed. You are depressed. I hear say you talk about your mother say they don't put you on. Who they put you under depression? That small girl name for Sweden. I wait yourself. I don't even forget the name. If some person know they get me right after you, I will read that. Who they put you under depression? Who then puts you under depression? Hey, voila. Happy birthday, Mafo, our beautiful Mafo, the only Mafo in the whole of Europe. My beautiful sister Mafo, happy birthday, my dear. I wish you all the best. I wish you success. I wish you everything you wish yourself. You are a good woman. Now so good go to follow you. Now so blessing go to follow you. Villa Mama. Now Villa Mama, we big boutique. Villa Mama, small pikin. I saw say you big boutique and you pass Villa Mama like for some 100 years. Now Villa Mama will you empty last big boutique. You got to say want to go for court. Then after now you got to say it don't make you it don't make you how they call up. Say it don't make you you be depressed. We now all the caution are called Gono, all the caution are called Dopes, all the caution are called Mametalaku, all the caution are called Kobos, all the caution are caution you the big boutique be one of the map picking the way you don't cause woman on social media. Me gonna punish you with that show way the way they leak. Me gonna ever punish you. Can't have social media talk say you be depressed. You are depressed in what sense? I remember saying very me Benjamin. I beg people on social media. I do video, beg people. Say they don't cause you, they leave you because I don't say you there for camp for Germany. You want to find a small thing for the chop, but you be so disrespectful for women. Them you be so disrespectful. You disrespect women. Then too much, too much. Why you don't feel respect women? Then you don't get your own friend man picking them for God to criticize them. Why you don't criticize men? Why you don't crush man picking them? Why you only drag now women inside your whole your them? You don't get man picking them for talk about. You don't have men to talk about. Now wait see. I hate man because they disrespect women them. I hate the way they hate. By the end of the day, I don't like people say disrespect women them. Women and their mother. If you don't feel respect women, that means you don't respect your own mommy will born you. That means you don't respect your own sisters them. You can't have on social media the describe women and talk anyhow about them. It correct so. It correct so. Even Villa Mama, they can't call you so name you don't like the name. Why you not contact key? Why you don't contact? You say you never be for your plan for the coach Villa Mama. They never be for your plan for the coach Villa Mama na Chris. But wait till start talk about you. Big boutique now you drag the girl that me they talk about you. Now you drag the woman that me they talk about you. Then when they begin them they talk about you. When they talk about you now you start to say they put you under depression. No, now you work a call their name there for your platform. You say you want to do fashion police. You know go do your fashion police quiet. You don't enter inside saga. You dey take side. You dey support people. Why not just come begin to do your fashion police like I don't dress now so you come now look my dress you ask picture why you want to do fashion police your person the person you go for look for me foot not be that not be have picture for me foot how me a dress complete you take another look at whether I saw woman get for dress you don't be like that thing when they work at they say do fashion police then you work at criticize people describe that their body how they are their shape day you want to do fashion police they kind of my shape on how they clothes they you describe that shape. They say you used to say get fine shape. When I stop the thing for social media, I'm not making work and disgrace people. When I stop the thing, depression kill you there. When I say the depression that one put on top people there, it go turn back kill. Now except the God man is save and I dead God. Let those same depression, let all the pains that you people have caused on the life of everybody on social media will fall back to you and your generation 1 billion times. When I stop the rubbish. When I stop on social media and all over the cosh people, you don't get it for do. Now the only one gonna fit do for social media, cosh people in the whole place. Then you can't to say be depression. Why people they come for your channel, they cosh people? Why they cut them? Why people they come for your channel for one talk against you, big booty, you go cut the call. But when they come for your channel for one cosh people, you deliver and they cosh people fine. Then you can't now the talk say be depressed. Be depression kill you there. Useless man picking. You are not fit to be among men. Now why they pray and they say you go gay? Because you do nothing a woman that they do am. They work at the toss, they don't call it a PD. They don't call it a PD. Nonsense. They don't call it a PD, they don't call it a PD. You do man picking to them. If you do things that man picking, no man will call it a PD. Why you don't can join a woman they are Congo, sir? They do things that the women they expect me to call it with it. Be sherry coco gay. You want me to call it with it? Cosh people. Now wait till people do you. Now wait till all the girls this small picking they do you. What did they do you? What did they do you? You need shame to be mad because you can't enter inside saga they talk rubbish. You need shame. Even if you enter the saga, if you enter the saga for the big piece, or if you enter the saga for the take sides. You enter the saga for the take sides, the judge people. So tell you the talk away and the writer say that the billionaire why you paid. Who's pay? I don't die me. See person. So if they really take you so you the big boutique take you so take the billionaire stand up and you feel sleepy. If they take you so, they take the billionaire turn up before you go discharge before you want touch it. You don't discharge or finish before you want touch it. Yes. You want to stand up for your front, so you know that some fine woman turn up for my picket before you discharge before you want me to touch the woman. I think that go happen for you and the billionaire. Say talk about the billionaire why can I this little woman? When I just know about this social media, this camera when the Android generation. We don't spoil all man. Any man just will take light the camera. Just can't turn for back start talk foolish. Then foolish followers they for back. You see, small pikin le villa mama. Now villa mama don't put you under stress. Small pikin le villa mama. You know who come for they talk say it tell you say it call you say she go gay. You go say you go take it go court. On top of that, now so they call me, I go me oh, we come out. Pem driver dede. Una bye bye. I'll be sorry. I will never pick that call because the guy can't take me come out. Okay. As we talk for the place we already talk and I hear no. This boy what they call you? Well how did they call this useless boy Big Boutique? Big Boutique, stop that rubbish. I go come back for you. When I see the video, the corner because they take me for tour. I go come back for you. Yes, the one go show me a saloon. I want a saloon. I'll call and say, "Well, no, say saloon." And they call saloon say saloon. I want go see. I want go different part than saloon. When I picture of the load tomorrow. Siam, stop the thing. When I stop the useless Big Boutique, I beg, I remember, I don't go ever forget. I beg to tell me they don't coach the boy, or me they leave the boy there for camp for Germany, they suffer for camp. Me they leave it there for camp. When I not involved for the team there, but I don't know say the boys is on a man, a boy. If they be involved for the team past any person. So they work at the talk there, they put the billionaire wire last. The billionaire one day are there, you even get canals. When you want to talk, you get canals. When you say the billionaire wire last, you get canals. You get them when you want to talk to you open and move the talk. If they carry the billionaire put that you and he so understand, you go discharge before time. Now when that kind man picking them, when you see woman just start shake so discharge. Katana would they talk. When they ever to say people one person want to talk about una we can say they want una. One una be who the billionaire get man. You no get man picking, no get massa for house. You no get massa. Where want you? Even if the fine man picking now you go find her. Try una people una don't try you. Would I don't try? Even if you want man picking, you can't find now. Now you that very statement when I make up because of that talk for me. That they talk about this lily put for Belgium when I cause all the problem for social media. This so ne. When I got to say me I want so ne. When I see me fine. Me. Hey Jesus of Nazareth. Beautiful Bridget Benjamin. And not only beautiful, are beautiful with character, with attitude, as a housewife, with everything, with shape, all thing. Me. No are the past people talk. When I can't talk around, I want follow lily put. Now don't say marry me. Una don't walk up and see man pick you and marry me. Una don't looky fine. Una don't looky. When I can't the talk anything when I talk, I say, hey, person one when I last. What's last when I get something? Even if I leave my master, even today me and my master separate. Me, even my master separate now. Sometimes some governor, some business tycoon, some oil baron, where money the show away for floor. Now if I go marry her, when I see me fine, when I know my connection there, balo. Cash down where Lily put a boy the man begin no get 5 and a woman they go work at clean shit they can't get them kill them one penny for inside the house then. When I can't say man one day. When I be not see me for I say I have that kind of frustrated gay woman there. I know my level. I know the people they are they mix with. I know how they chop. So I carry them my fine beautiful skin so would you plenty man picking where they stand for grand man. When they know they stand they find they get money get hot sin. I will leave them. Can't find short lily put there where they don't get their uncle chop. I know why suffer. I know cover the way we can suffer, can enjoy. So Big Boutique, stop the rubbish. Stop the nonsense. Find your track. Find way to where you can for social media for can do. Because that's all that I can't start YouTube when I don't get destination. When I start YouTube when I don't know where to when I want to start. When I don't start YouTube. The one I don't start the YouTube now when I start confused. When I don't know which direction for go. When I don't know who for follow. When I don't know nothing. When I just start enter thing when I no concern. You can't the map pick work at the shape woman there. Today so I go come back this evening time so I pray me I go lock myself inside my room where they don't give me for the palace. I lock myself for the quiet. I go do live video again for your hate. You the Big Boutique. I go feed it in how to do the evening. What kind of nonsense is? What kind of rubbish? Why you look at the depressed people on social media? You can't not to say be depressed. Be depressed or kill you. You actually if you die, say you go worry. You not worry no man. You know. You know worry no man because you don't now. Una don't can cause pain for Cameroon community for social media. Now una don't can cause pain. Una don't can put tears. Make people then chaka houses scatter. Bring people that lie story of outside. Even to not be true about people una come and put up for outside because we una the one find 1 penny 2 penny. It don't take una go for side. Now all una the work cause people. All una work beg money the whole social media. Why that money? Why the money they were Kobos in them and Mami Atalaku in them, the woman name, they never make on a table, they flop. By now, so that for being a millionaire for the drive on a Ferrari. Now Ferrari una for the driver. For money they don't make up for head. Where all those depressed until they don't pay when I'm gonna cost people. When for the driver na Ferrari. Bunch of goats. Ah. And now I'm come back. I don't come back home. That's the way they enjoy. And now I'm come back for that one man country. When I just say, we go send you for Africa. I want to send me for Africa. Then Africa now. So when I send me for Africa, fine. When I say they enjoy. I'm going to Europe now. I want to go 5:30 for body time. Go walk. Come back for house. Cook chop. Cook for my man. Pack chop. Africa fine. See, I need to come back. I remember for you. When I tell Benjamin no. When I tell Benjamin say I don't give bed for you to come back. I know. Then when I tell Benjamin say I don't give bed. When I say they shine. They want me no nothing. Look, I no shine. Clean. I got all time now for fix myself. I got for you up there. Most I get time for fix myself. I don't get time. When I say when I say 2 days so I don't do for Africa, I don't change. That's so when I need 2 days so I don't change. See as I fine. Beautiful woman. Now I want me I can go to work out the jaga boy there outside. Oh, that's what I be doing for you. I stress be doing for my face when I begin to say sometimes oh woman be beautiful woman. I don't hear though. Very beautiful. Any day, any time, any meeting. I want to say man picking them off. Man picking them plenty. But don't like an empty pocket man picking them. I know they will like an suffer. I enjoy. When I tell people Tico, when I tell that the Sherry Coco, me stop the thing. If you want to talk of Villa Mama, it's crazy. I don't tell you that any of una go stand up threaten any of the picking them for social media. Una go threaten them. I go look for una hele manawa. I be their mommy and I go stand any day for them, anytime, I go stand for them financially, physically, everything, spiritually, all. I go stand for them. Oh yeah, no. When I be the depressed community, now they don't come up to say be the talk the real story. When I be the over depressed community, now all when I be the talk. When I coach people lie for people that had lie story, then people that they believe them. Sometimes also that's when I work for immigration. When I work for immigration, I remember in those days, such a person called so my sister for Ireland, they were work with my company. We did together for company. Call it say, hey, be careful. That girl for Italy, he work for immigration. He don't call your name. He say go send immigration for your back. Hey! Woo! Cameroonian damn. Child! Hey! So una the belief. Person come for social media, they lie. So I got in heaven. Now why what's the person where my master say, oh, they call, he say who them? My master never can who they call name. He say who? That monkey then. That they call name. Then when I can't tell me do it, it has some better people be call name. People go look and say who the call name. When I can't tell you about who call name. People they don't make name. When I can't tell me say Oprah Winfrey the come and name, I go watch her. But I can't tell me say the big journalists, all the big journalists, my name they come and name for BBC. CNN them. See how I go watch them. Now I can't tell me say some people they come and name. They stay me to go watch her. And now I don't know if you ever watch that video there because it don't make sense. It will impact me for waiting. It will impact me for waiting. When I stop DT for social media, when I learn for connect with the right people, when I know. When I do better, when I see social media, all my connection, if I no connection, I get them. When I get with those, I use witch. When I get with those, I use mixing. Because my connection, them, no be granite, no be biscuit. So when I come here, I no fit enter play the way they enter. No fit. I don't be celebrity, but God bless me because I get clean hearts. You know, I eat with the mighty. I do like Jesus Christ. Jesus be the worker for earth. He be the eat now with the mighties, the queens and the kings because we get clean hearts. When you follow Jesus, you run so you go chop with Jesus, you chop with the kings and the queens. Oh yeah. It's short there. But always. I can make them. I can't come out. I can't take me. Oh yeah. I chop with the queens and kings them. Get clean hearts. Do good for people. Stop for the do bad for people then. do good, God go open your doors. You go favor the work around you. Favor will be now one way even people don't go ever know what the apple ya na why they just use to use medicine because your light is too shine. But when they for them now they bad belly. It cost people. Cost people. People don't not even clean their shoe. People know that they been there for hell una don't can light camera. Beg the whole social media. Cost people there. Una continue. Una not stop. Una continue to cost people. Una begin cost. I will say which connection with that cost go bring up for una. I will say which good thing that cost go bring up for una. I will say which level we una go reach for una life. Una go regret all the thing una do for social media. Una continue to cost people. Continue. Should not forget the cost. That's the cost. When I go meet all the people that are the when I go meet all them one day face when they begin for header when I go pass through some certain places. That one I go kill ourselves like how Judas be kill himself for shame. Yes. When I go kill ourselves. The person where don't fool when I pull under bad roads. Say the only way for become celebrity for social media and for cost people. When I continue. Now when I don't ever be celebrity ever for our life. Never. When I don't ever be celebrity because there's celebrities are people who deal with the mighties. So if you the mighties can never deal with you where you cost people. The mighties only deal with you now. The mighties and these celebrities will publicize their things. So how you want to become a celebrity when you cannot deal with the mighties? How you want to become a celebrity when an ambassador will not be invited for your office, a minister will not be invited for your office, a president will not be invited for your office? You not be a celebrity. Celebrity deals with those people because celebrity they communicate to the public. Yes, now why don't they do inauguration for presidents and things? They don't invite celebrities every day because they are the ones that communicate with the public. Oh no, she don't for the empty pocket, empty last big boutique. She don't for the cost woman then. You so very useless man picking. You should not the cost woman. You should not for the body shape woman. Then the cat not to say don't put under the pressure to call the call say Sherry Coco gay. You don't be Sherry Coco gay. You waiting. If you not be paid, you be waiting. Wait where you define now. Wait till you define now for woman their palaver for social media. If true, so you don't be woman man. Wait till you work and find out for woman that trouble the inside social media. Wait till you find out for the yes. So man picking if he come inside with the one can make peace. So if he come talk so okay. This thing they so I don't see some boy today where he do videos. I just pass so person share that video. One of the BI they share. The boy they talk about be BI be Ghana. They just criticize. It just bring a point of view for each and every person. That one they different. But you this big boutique, you can't put it, you can't take sides. You just can't take side. The cost, even me say you don't come and be a channel, what to do that. The cost people them, the deform people them. So you talk to him not because you're a mommy when you respect her. I not be a mommy. I mean I born you. God, I not be born useless speaking like you so. My boy picking of it come up be useless. The work I cost. I not even giving my boy picking work at enter inside woman that palaver inside social media. My boy picking of it come up be useless. The work I enter woman they are trusting them. As a man, you normal. You normal. Man picking, you will work at you can't social media they describe woman the other day. Body shape them. Then today say they don't under depression. Be depression kill you for day. Be the depression even make you start crazy ping gongo for Germany. They take you put up for mental health capture. They will start choking that injection. Nonsense man picking. You come for social media, you know if you respect woman them. Come for social media, they talk for woman, you like a body shape woman, they talk for woman, they anyhow. You be human being. You be human being. Why you man picking them for this social media, man picking them a celebrity them? Why you need to go criticize the way they dress? You work and find a woman them. When I don't see una own coco, my mate la kobos, una own coco. Now una own coco, now don't see her for the outside. My mate la kobos, my mate la kobos, my mate la kobos. Una no get no to wanna talk about again. Now my mate la kobos. I go find some place go sleep. Have they arrived? Yes. I beg I didn't live una now. We go out. I know what when I see me get some time. You know, I enjoy Sierra Leone presidential treatment. Una bye bye. Pictures will start load tomorrow. Una know say what day.